Hey guys, so welcome back to Delph, and today I will be showing you how to find saved passwords on Brave browser. So to do this process, first things first is of course open up the Brave browser into your computer. After that, you could just simply select the three lines on the top right corner, guys, and you will have an option over here, which is the gear icon settings. Go ahead and click on it. And now over here, you will have autofill and password on the left side of the screen, and you should be able to see your save password on Brave browser by selecting password manager over here once you are on the autofill and passwords. And from here, as you can see, I only have one account, but if you do have more account saved up, you should be able to see it over here, and you should be able to click on the account that you have saved. And from here, I have my username over here. I have the site, and if luckily I have a note, I should be able to see it, and I should be able to copy my password, and I should be able to show my password. But of course, I'll not do that. I'm gonna get exposed. And now from here, you should be able to have or view your save password. And also, if you don't know, you could also add a new save password over here, or you could go for the settings over here, and you could even import and export some passwords right over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.